Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Ads account tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft Ads account tracking, start by logging into your Microsoft Ads account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on the gear icon to access your account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Tracking section. Click on Tracking to view your current tracking settings. Locate the account tracking code that you want to uninstall. Highlight the tracking code information for your reference. Next, you will need to access your website or platform where the code is implemented. If you are using a content management system, log into that system. Navigate to the section where you can edit your website's code. This might be under Settings, Code, or Themes, depending on your platform. Once in the code editor, search for the tracking code you referenced earlier. Remove the entire tracking code from the website. After deleting the code, ensure that you save your changes. Next, return to your Microsoft Ads account. Refresh the page to confirm that the tracking code has been removed. It's a good idea to run a test to ensure that the uninstallation was successful. Check your tracking reports to verify that there is no more data being collected. If any issues arise, consider consulting Microsoft Ads support for assistance. Congratulations, you have now successfully uninstalled Microsoft Ads account tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.